Windows 11 24H2 comes with several features that help you maintain system health and optimize performance, including System File Checker, SFC, and the Task Manager. SFC is a built-in utility that scans your system for corrupted or missing files and repairs them automatically. To use it, open the command prompt as an administrator, type SFC, scannow, and press Enter. The tool will begin scanning your system files and attempt to fix any issues it finds, helping prevent crashes, freezes, or other performance problems. The Task Manager in Windows 11 24H2 has also been updated with a more modern interface and improved functionality. You can access it by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC or right-clicking the Start button and selecting Task Manager. It allows you to monitor running processes, CPU and memory usage, disk and network activity, and more. You can also manage startup programs, end unresponsive tasks, and view detailed app histories. The Performance and App History tabs give you a clear overview of your system's resource usage over time, making it easier to identify apps or processes that may be slowing down your PC. Together, SFC and Task Manager are essential tools for keeping your Windows 11 system running smoothly. Regularly scanning for system file issues and monitoring resource usage can help prevent unexpected errors, optimize performance, and extend the lifespan of your hardware. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials.